We are doing half-round copper gutters today. Half-round copper. And we got these custom wedges here so that the rafter tails will sit really good. And we got our outlets in there. We got the first gutter up and got the rain chain up there. So the rafter tails are cut at an angle, and we have those special adapters that go right inside. Looks really clean. Here's the front of the house. We're setting up and we're gonna install those adapters and we'll get the half-round gutter in there. 38-foot gutter. We preset all the brackets, so they're gonna be every 2 feet. Presetting the adapters for the rafter tails. And that's how they look right there. View from right here, how the brackets line up really well. Ready for half-round gutter. Gutter installed with the rain chain. Say the roofers did an amazing job. Left plenty of space on the flashing there. Making a video to let the roofers know they're amazing. Rain chain all the way down. Let me show you the rain chain here. These are really nice, heavy duty, and they got a big capacity there. Brackets pre-installed on this side, and we have the side gutter and that downspout. We got this one installed. You can see the internal brackets, and we have this rain chain, 2-story. Up close look on these brackets. So what happens is it makes the gutter lay really flat. The gutter does hit right here a little bit, so definitely a big help though. You can see like right there. But yeah, it covers up the gaps as you've seen on those other gutters right there. This transition right here, so no downspout required for this section here. How the gutters look with the chains installed. The cups got 50 feet total for 4 areas. Front view. We got a side gutter here as well. It's got a rain chain, cups, beautiful transition. There's no spot for a downspout here. There's gonna be a patio, so this will run over here. Okay, got it done. Check out these clean outs right here. Those are cool. Clean them out and close them back up. Half-round copper gutters with round downspouts, and a very cool feature, a clean out in line with the downspout. We have another copper half-round gutters with special adapters right there, and a 16-foot long heavy duty black square cups.